What I have here is the 64 Audio Duo. This is the latest IM is is on the expensive side given that it has only two drivers in it. There isn't anything exactly fancy here, but there is something definitely special about this IM. I really liked the kind of open design of this IM, and the DDBA combination with a TR driver is obviously fascinating. I really like the combination here. It's fairly fulfilling given that the TR driver used for the mid high is fantastic. I have already experienced the TR driver, and combining it with the DD, I'm expecting some excellent sound quality from this IM. This is priced at $1,200, which is not less by a long shot, even though this is the cheapest available universal IM from 64 Audio. This is a good way, good, good way distant from the cheapest IM we buy from other brands. This is you guys can see the TR Apex Core and stuff. This is fascinating. Obviously, has an impedance of 9 ohm at 1K. I would like to believe the the IM looks good, and the cable is different now, but it still is not the most beautiful looking cable in the market for sure. Even when you are paying around $1,200, as you guys can see, the Pentacon jack is huge. It's okay. I will not say this is the best cable you can get, but then again, this is reasonable, and the IEMs look fantastic. The earpieces, as always, the 64 Audio design, the signature design of 64 Audio, it looks very good. Duo, nice. This design has aged exceptionally. This is a beautiful looking IEM, and that open back, kind of open back design, I'll explain that later in the review. This is the fox leather case. Looks nice, looks nice. I was not expecting it to look good. This is the sticker, this is the tip manager. Very good. It's a very good thing, something no other brand provides. Cable clip and a cleaning tool, that's run of the mill. Okay, come on, come out, come out, come out. Oh, yeah. So the sticker, will this fit? No, this won't fit inside, but that's okay. I don't know, it should fit, but it's not fitting inside, so that's okay, that's okay, that's reasonable. Looks strong to me. Not going to withstand some heavy pressure, but looks fairly strong to me. It's of good quality, and yeah, should the IM should be safe inside. I'll be comparing it with a handful of IMs. I'll be getting the maxed in a month or so. So I'm expecting these to compete with each other with a lot of vim and vigor. I'll be comparing it immediately with some BA based IEMs. I have borrowed the Andromeda from Bivor, and I too have other hybrid IEMs in this price range like the Dorado 2020, Solaris, the Mest Mark II. If applicable, I'll compare it with those IEMs, or the Dorado 2020 is a very good competitor at this price range for a hybrid setup. I really believe that this should be a very good IEM too. Coming from the house of 64 Audio, I expect nothing less from them. So this is the unboxing of 64 Audio Duo. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day. Enjoy your music.